Hello everyone, my name is Sophia and I'm glad to welcome you to my channel. Today I continue to draw dragon ideas from subscribers. This is the second series. Thank you all very much for the ideas, and I chose this one. It seemed very interesting to me, and whose comment I did not choose, do not be upset. Perhaps in the next video, I will draw exactly your idea. I decided to change some details of this dragon, and to choose a new name. He is called Lerasta. I wrote a story for him. I hope you will like it. Everyone enjoy watching. And watch the ad on YouTube that you will be advertised. And by the way, then tell me what you were advertised. Thank you very much. Deep in the embrace of the magical forest, where time seemed to stop under the cover of magic, lived a mysterious forest dragon named Lerasta, and his appearance was something unimaginable. 4 wings like flaming hills elegantly rose above his curved body. Instead of traditional dragon enemies, the rods crowned his head, as if nature itself put its gift into him. Face or grow combined the grace of a fox and the greatness of a dragon. His eyes, shimmering turquoise and dark green, were windows to the world of secrets and riddles. Hiding in the dense greenery of the branches, he was a guardian of the forest whose eyes read every note of the mysterious forest melodic whisper. Lerasta was not just a dragon, but the embodiment of nature itself. His body was adorned with mushrooms and grass, as if the earth itself decided to distinguish it among others inhabitants of the forest. This living mosaic created a sensation that liberals were part of the living tissue of the forest. Near one you have no special mystery in yourself. He was made of dense smoke, as if the dragon dealt with each tail swing, causing an element of magic and incomprehensible mystery behind. Smoky curls slowly soaring air created after themselves images, as if the breath of the forest itself. Once, did he decide to share his story? The whole forest listened carefully when he began to tell about the times the dragons and the forest were one. He described how he guarded his forest from dangers, how nature came to life with his arrival, and how each mushroom and grass around him were witnesses of this harmony. With every word of liberals, the forest began to come alive in a dance of light and sound. His story about a smoky tail, which was a bridge between worlds, caused magical feeling. Even in the very flame of the dragon, heat and light became tools for the condition of unseen pictures in the skies. Lera showed 100 that here 4 wings allow him to soar and up in embrace of the heavens, like his deer horns merged with nature, creating a sense of unity. His eyes were burning with secrets, inscribed in every corner of this magical forest. As his story's completion, Lerasta rose in the air, wings lit up with bright light, and the smoky tail left behind a trail of mysterious shapes. The forest accepted his story, embodying it in dances of light and shadow, sound and silence. So, Leaf became not just a dragon god, and the living embodiment of magic and balance in the very heart of the forest. Perhaps the most exciting moment came when Lerasta, raising in the air, started to speak. His voice filled every corner of the forest, sounding like a wonderful melody. His words don't slime on the wings of the wind, revealing wisdom invested in every whisper of the trees and every rustle of grass. Listeners perceived his story not only with their ears, but and hearts absorbing wisdom and magic, which or grows made his forest a real wonder. He ended his story with an exalted moment, when his wings froze in the heavens and eyes sparkled with mysterious light. Having descended to earth, the leaf remained standing in the midst of the forest assembly, surrounded by respect and the blessing of nature. His presence was like a beam of sunlight, piercing through the leaves, filling everything around with light and love. At that moment, it became clear that Lerasta is not just a dragon, but a living embodiment of the forest soul, keeper of its secrets and magic. Guys, thank you all for your attention. I hope you liked this dragon idea. Write your ideas, and I will choose what I like. Don't forget to subscribe. Put likes. Press the bell so as not to miss my latest videos. Bye everyone.